Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Moto Edge 50 Fusion smartphone. If you want to set your fingerprint lock, then this is the video for you. Let's begin. Firstly, you have to open your settings. Scroll down and then click on security and privacy. Again scroll down, there you will see the option of device unlock. Click on this and then click on fingerprint. Now you have to set a backup screen lock, so in case your fingerprint doesn't work, you can unlock your phone by using pattern, pin or password. Select your desired password. Here select pattern. Now draw your pattern and then click on next. Now confirm your pattern and then click on confirm. Now you can also select your privacy setting. You want to show your notification on your lock screen or not. Here I select don't show notification at all and then click on done. Now click on setup. Now click on OK. Now tap on the sensor and then hold it and keep on tapping until it completely captures your finger. Keep on adjusting your thumb until it completely captures your finger. After it completely captures your finger, it will show message something just like this. If you want to add another fingerprint, you can also add it by clicking on add another, otherwise click on done. Now whenever your phone is locked, you can simply use your thumb to unlock your smartphone.